So these two commands are important that you need to run it on your Git bash. As soon as you open your Git bash, if you could run mkdir -p export DevOps, it will create a directory for you. We'll be mostly working under this directory for any activity that we do, so that whatever work we do, it is separately tracked and everything is in control instead of mixing up things. One thing is, what is tilt symbol? Anybody has idea what is tilt? This is called a tilt symbol. It means
Good morning.
good morning, Rahul. Okay, it means take me to user home directory. That's what it means. If I do a cd tilt, it will take me to the home directory. No matter wherever I am, say for example, I'm in /temp, and if I do a cd tilt, it will take me to the users directory with the username. Same thing, you could just give it a try on your laptop. You could just see this. If one of you could share a screen and quickly do it, maybe it help us. Who is ready to share the screen?
I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah, sure.
So where you want me to go?
If you look,
Gitbash?
yeah, Gitbash.
Okay.
So I'll tell you, 99% of the time will be either on Gitbash
Mm-hmm.
or GitLab or
Okay.
only 3 places. Okay.
Okay.
It's not like you open simply Chrome for some other purpose. So it's going to be mostly on the command line. You will be an
Okay.
expert on the command line after 15 to 20 days. You will not be interested in moving using the mouse and then clicking on something. So it'll be completely out of your this one scope. It'll be mostly on the command line. Okay, you can start sharing a screen. I'll stop sharing the screen.
You want me to type anything here?
Yeah, if you could share a screen. Okay, your screen is shared. Okay. So for the first command would be just look at your WhatsApp chat. I have pasted it. It'll be a make directory command.
Like I just transferred here. This
Okay.
one?
No, not this. The link that I gave it to you today morning.
Yeah. This is the link information. GitHub
No.
information.
Today's chat GPT link I gave you.
Just a
Is
second.
it the one? Can you just, okay, you're saying you transferred it, right? Maybe.
Yeah. I just transferred here.
Okay, just go all the way top then. All the way top.
This is like you started sharing the things.
Okay. Basically, okay. You need to come down. You probably mixing up two things. Whatever yesterday I shared and then today I shared everything.
Yeah.
You need to come down little. You need to come down. Yeah, exactly this one. MKDA,
This command?
that command. It will basically create a directory for you. It's better you type it, don't copy paste it. You so that when you're used to all these commands. So for now it is okay.
So as
MK,
I can see, there is other stuff also. So do I need to remove it?
yeah, you need to remove it. I mean, sometimes Windows behaves random.
Let me see.
Yeah. Okay, you can enter. You don't have to be in the end of the line. You can be anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Just for your information, that is.
Oh, thank
Use
you.
use just up arrow.
Up arrow.
Yeah. So that is to repeat your last command. If you want
Document.
to run it again, you can run it. That's an advantage of command line. That is one thing. Do ls. You could see
ALS?
ls. No, simple L and S. List.
Oh, list.
Yeah.
LS.
ls means list the directories and files. Enter. So any command that I ask you to run, you have to enter. So here there is no double click or single click. It is just a enter.
Okay.
Do a cd
CD
space tilt
space tilt
slash export.
//
Yeah, export E and then tab slash and tab should work for you. Tab. There is a tab key, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, tab. Right.
Yeah, that will do autocomplete. That is another important feature that you need to know. Just
Yeah.
type tab, it'll autocomplete.
After export, do I
Yeah,
need to write anything?
type the tab key. Just tap the tab key. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. So basically, it auto completes if there are no other folders apart from one folder. If there are folders, it'll ask you to choose which one you want to do, which one you want to choose. Okay, enter. Do a PWD. That is a print working directory or a present working directory. PWD.
PWD.
Yeah. So that will tell you exactly which folder you are in currently. So you need to enter. Yeah. So your user's home directory and then export DevOps is your current working directory.
Right.
Okay. You can do mkdir test1, test2, test3 like that. So that we will delete it later.
MKD.
dir, that is to create a directory. mkdir space
Okay.
test1
Space.
space test2 space 1, 2, and 3, something like that. Three folders that I'm trying to. No. Test1, test2, test3.
Okay. Test one. Right.
Yeah. Space. Okay. You can do it in the single line also. You can use up arrow.
Oh, okay.
You can use up arrow. Yeah. Remove one and then put two. Space test3,
Okay.
test4. Basically, it allows you to do multiple things on the single line. You don't have to really wait for your commands to complete or your action to complete. For example, if you're working on a particular browser window and you clicked on something, you have to wait for that particular window to be closed or maybe particular action to be completed. But here, you can actually do multiple things on the same time. That is
Okay.
another important thing about command line interface. So
You want me to enter?
yeah, enter. Anybody has a doubt? Any clarification required? Balkis or Romeo?
No doubt.
Okay, sure. Do a CD space. CD means change directory. That means you are switching from one directory to another directory. How do you do normally on Windows? You do a double click, click on the folder, click on the Explorer, like that you do, right? Instead of
Yeah.
you simply do a CD. Just type tab once, tap on the tab. So it'll show you exactly what are the different files available for you, different folders available for you. You can choose any one. You can type T and then tab. So that will prompt you again
Type T and
and
tab, right?
tab. Yeah. So this will again prompt you whether you want to go with 1, 2, 3, or 4. Multiple couple of times if you do it, it'll prompt you once again. You got it? So now you are supposed to select which one you want to open.
Test
One,
4.
test2, test4, anything. Yeah, enter. Do a PWD. So now your working directory is changed.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now you can come back one directory. I mean, you can come back to the previous directory. How do you do it? CD space dot dot enter. So that's a way you come out of your current working directory back to the older directory or previous directory. So that's how you learn basic commands. Now, what are the commands that you have learned today? CD.
One is CD, one is PWD, then MKDIR.
Yes. Okay. So if you keep pressing up arrow one by one slowly, you will get to see all the commands one by one, whatever you typed. That's a easy way to just go back to the command and then run it once again.
Okay.
Okay. Just come back to the mkdir command. Just press down arrow couple of. Okay. So now here you say test 5, test 6 instead of test 5, test 6. Okay. Put a semicolon. Semicolon is a command separator. Space, one space character. CD space test 5. Test 5. No. Test 5, number 5. Whatever you have.
Number 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then semicolon PWD. Yeah. So you see the magic, right? Now you just ran one single line, but it created the directory for you. It went to the directory and it also completed PWD command. So at a single line, you are completing 3 commands. One is a mkdir, second one is a cd, third one is a pwd.
PWD.
Yeah, like that you can combine multiple commands in a single line. Or these commands, you can combine it in a script that is called shell script. Shell scripting. No, you cannot go to test 4 because it's not available.
Yeah, no file available.
Yeah. So basically you just use up arrow and change test 4 to test 2, semicolon pwd. But you have to make a change in the command that, okay, if you use up arrow once again, you will understand. mkdir -p, if you put, it will ignore the error message. If it is available, it will ignore. If it is not available, it will create.
MKDIR dash then
-p, -p.
-p.
Yeah. Hyphen, small letter. Dash, hyphen, anything. So you're you're missing hyphen.
Hyphen. I
Yeah.
just forgot the key. Which key is there?
After zero. On your.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, I'm used to MacBook.
Oh.
So
So you're missing P still. Letter P. Use up arrow. Yeah. -p. Enter. So if you see above, you can see that export DevOps test 5, test 2, test 2, test 2, like that. I mean, it has gone to multiple folders. Okay. See, you don't have to learn everything on the same day. You just go back and then look at this video once again. Once the video is shared, you will have a better idea. It takes time, at least about 2 to 3 days to learn all the fundamentals of Linux.
Got it.
Fundamentals. Okay. Now we will go back to some of the shortcuts. I would like someone else to share the screen. Who is ready to share the screen? Romeo? Okay. Cool. Now, whatever you have done, okay. Just can you increase the font size a little in your laptop? I mean, only the terminal, only the Gitbash. Okay, fine, fine. That's fine. Okay. What I want you to do is use up arrow twice or thrice so that you understand what commands you have executed.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Now just hold on. Just one down arrow. Okay. Where is your cursor right now?
This is right here beside the present working directory.
Yeah. Okay. But if you want to move your cursor to the start of the line, so you don't have to really do this. You can just press Control A. Control
Con-
A. Okay. That's how you take your cursor back to your start of the line. If you want the cursor to be end of the line, Control E.
V?
E for elephant. Control E. Control plus E. Control, not shift.
Control E.
Okay. So we have learned Control A and Control E. Now you press Control W. If you want to delete something and you don't have to really use a backspace for multiple times, Control W will delete the word. Keep deleting multiple words. Like that you can delete. Control W. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to teach you is, any questions at this point?
No
No.
questions.
So you have to remember a little bit. A means starting. E means end. Control A means starting position. Control E means end position. Control W means delete a word. Delete word by word if you press Control W continuously. Other shortcuts may be there in the document that I shared with you. But whatever I'm teaching you during the class hours, that's very important. Other things that you can learn based on your interest. Okay. Now, if you want to see the command that you executed before, how do you do it? Do a Control R. Control R. So it'll do a reverse search. That means it'll go back and search for a particular command that is matching your string. For example, if you do a Control F and then type something, right, it will search for the particular files, particular folders, right? Like that. If you do this one and then mkdir, mk, just simply type mk, mk, yeah. So it pops you up the command that is matching the string. You got it? You just press right arrow, just press right arrow. So your command is kind of handy now. So you are getting the command instead of you pressing up arrow multiple times. Okay. Any more questions on this?
Can we do it again?
Yeah, sure. Enter it once again. Enter, simply enter. So it says exactly these directories are already exist, right? Do a ls-l, ls-l, correct. So you see long list of files, folders, whatever is available. You can also repeat this particular command. Okay, you can type it.
Oh, what does this stand for?
Okay, D for directory, R for read, W for write, X for execute, and three set of users are there. So we'll go a little bit deeper later. But if you really look at it, there are three kinds of users. For three kinds of users, the permissions are given here. One is user, another one is group, and third one is the others. It is something similar to WhatsApp group where you are part of a group and you are the user. Group is a group. Whoever is not part of the group, they are others. So three kind of permissions are available here. D means whatever is starting with D, those are directories. Whatever is starting with dash, those are files. So can you create a file? Touch file 1, file 2, file 3. Touch 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 space file 1, file 2, file 3. This basically creates three empty files. Enter. So anytime if you are running a command, if I say run this particular command, you need to enter. Okay. ls-l. Okay. Do you see that? There is a dash in the start, that is a file. There is a D in the start, that is a directory.
Okay.
So directory also ends with a slash to represent you, to tell you exactly that's a directory. In the end, if you see, there is a slash character.
Yeah.
Slash. Okay. Any questions on this so far?
No.
Okay. Now, if you want to use the Control R shortcut to run ls dash, or you want to run the touch command, right? What do you do normally? You use up arrow 3 times or 4 times to get the touch command, isn't it? Yeah, instead of that, press Control R. The unique character is TOU, simply TOU type. Yeah. So you get this. And if you want to modify something, press right arrow. If you want to enter the command, just enter. If you enter, it will say file exist. If you use right arrow and then change the file names, you will be able to create multiple files, new files. Instead of 1, you can say 9, 8, 7, like that. Yeah, you're also practicing the Control W. Very good.
Yeah.
Fine,
I'm
fine.
learning.
Yeah. Okay. Enter.
I
So
have a
you,
question.
yeah, sure.
If you press Control R and then you press T, but you have more than 3 things that you've already set for that has T in it, will it bring all those T's or just one?
It will bring whatever is the latest, whatever is the most recent command for the particular string that you're typing.
What if that is not what I want?
You need to press Control R once again. So
Okay.
definitely agree. I mean, your question is very valid. But the thing is, we are kind of trying to understand the basic. You are going one step ahead. It's okay. We can easily solve the problem.
Okay.
That's definitely a good way to learn things. Okay. For example, now you type ls-al, ls-al. This a with the ls, you put la, one extra character.
Sorry?
ls space dash a and l. A means show all the files. It'll show some hidden files also. Dot w,
Yeah.
like that. Okay. Now again put ls dash alt. T in the end. Yeah, enter. It'll show the
T or T?
T for time. So it'll show based on the time at which the file is created. So if you look at it, the order has changed, sorted out in a different order, right? Now, to answer Balki's question, if you press Ctrl R, ls, it will prompt the latest command, that is ALT. If you press Ctrl R once again, yeah, so it shows you the previous command. If you press Ctrl R once again, yeah, it shows the previous command. So it goes in the reverse direction. So that is why it is a reverse search. Hope I answered your question.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because I used it the other time and I was like, this is not the command that I want. So that's why I asked. Thank you.
Yeah. You know, this is like very handy, but at the same time, it makes you to do things in an incorrect way sometimes, or maybe some mistakes at some time. Because I mean, you tend to feel that, I mean, you are writing it correctly, you are entering it correctly, but in the end, instead of doing a simple rm command, you do rm-rf star, or maybe some random commands that you never expected to run it, you run it. Just because, I mean, it matches with all the previous history, you're not sure what command is matching sometimes. So you have to be very careful and clever. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. I'll just quickly see. Balkis, if you can share your screen, we can take it forward. Romy, you have any questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Fine.
Sure.
I just want to see your pwd command. Okay, you can do that. It's okay. You can do that. Use right arrow so that, I mean, you come out of this particular prompt and modify whatever you want to do now. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is a, yeah, you if you do a touch bb, probably it is already created. You can just do a cat bb. If the file, yeah, okay.
Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm not following the class, but I'm doing, I'm just trying to do it the way you are saying it, but
No, that's fine. I mean, absolutely fine. The one advantage with the class is, I mean, you get the recording back. You can actually listen to the class after your class over.
no, it's still what we are doing in class, but at times I just want to go far so that I will see if it is clear or not to me.
Sure, fine. Now, I would like to move on to the next thing. You guys understood Alt plus Tab, and then what is Alt Tab does? Any idea? Alt and Tab. You can
Alt
switch.
and tab.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
yeah. That's
Windows.
basically change the windows.
Yeah.
Tab is for the forward slash, right?
Yeah. I want everybody to be very much proficient with the shortcuts, because I mean, if I ask you to do something and then wait for some time, right? You should be able to finish it off within the time frame. Say if I ask you
What did you say last? You said tab and alt?
Alt plus Tab, Alt Tab. You just try Alt and Tab. Keep
Alt?
press, keep pressing Alt and then Tab key.
Mhm.
Alt and
Tab?
Tab. Yeah. If you're on Windows, Alt and Tab. If you're on Mac, Command and Tab. Are you pressing Alt and Tab or no?
Yeah.
Press Alt, keep pressing Alt, then just press the Tab key.
What is that supposed to do?
Okay, just give me a minute. I'll share my screen. I'll show you exactly how it works.
Okay.
You could see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
If I see now, you could see the Chrome browser, and then terminal, then Safari. Like that, I see, right? I'm pressing Alt continuously. I'm without taking out my fingers. I'm pressing the Alt. Whereas
It is more well displayed in Windows. This is MacBook, that's why it's looking funny like this. But in Windows the displays is more great. So Alt is just
Why is it supposed to display, please?
it's just switching the different windows, switching from one view to another if you have multiple tabs open.
yeah,
Okay.
So the Alt
Gotcha.
key, Alt, and then the tab. So you hold down the Alt and then you continuously tap on the tab, and the tab key is just going to switch.
yeah.
Okay,
And
now I
then
get.
you're moving from one window to another.
Show one quick demo.
Now I get it.
Okay, you can start sharing a screen now.
Okay. Let me go back to my Git. Because I have to close it to get what you're saying.
Sure.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see a screen. Press Alt tab and show me what you can see. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, you just choose whatever you want to choose instead of hovering the mouse, using the mouse to choose which window that you want to open. So it
Okay.
becomes very simple because if you just simply press Alt and Tab, it goes between the previous one and the current one. Just simply
Okay.
so that you don't really waste a lot of time in moving the mouse and trying to choose which window that you want to open. So all that it makes you more efficient. And as a DevOps, you are supposed to be automating a lot of stuff, and you have to save a lot of time in your work. So that's very important.
Okay, now I see.
Okay, now we will be moving on to creating a DevOps group in GitLab account. If you have not created yet, I would like you to create it right away. If you could probably open your GitLab console, go to, type gitlab.com. Control L
Yes.
will take you to the URL.
Control L.
Control and L. Yeah, type gitlab.com. Yeah, enter. It should be fine. It should be fine. Just gitlab.com. Enter.
Network is
That's okay.
slow.
Yeah, it's okay. You enter. Simply enter. So all of you can open gitlab.com. Go with your saved login. Otherwise, go with Google login. Okay.
Because
What do you do
I
is now.
already, what did you say?
So I would
I
like.
did it 3 days ago because you said we should set up our environment. So
Uh, can you click on the groups on the left hand side?
groups.
Yeah. And create a new group. Click on create group. choose a name as DevOps, D capital, O capital. I would like to make it more uniform for all the people. That's why I keep saying the same thing. Whenever I say go to your DevOps group, they should be able to go to this DevOps. Yeah,
Let me just log in again.
sure. You are missing yes in the end, Balkis. DevOps.
DevOps. Okay.
Okay, fine. You
Okay.
can scroll down. Yeah, choose a public one for now, because I mean you may have to share the URL within the team. Rest everything you can leave it as it is. You can probably say just me rather than my company or team. Yeah. What will be
Create.
what will be used, that you can select and then probably choose some option. DevOps projects or something. GitLab CI, whatever it is. It's okay.
This one.
Yeah, that first one is better. First one is better. Basics of Git. Okay.
And then create.
Yeah, create group. So whatever we do, it's going to be mostly on this particular group because we would like to have a process followed, so that I mean, if I ask you to do create a project, it should go under this one. For the group, there are variables. There are some group level permissions that gets overridden, or maybe that gets copied to other projects within the group. So here, if you click on your third option in the no on the up, you have a GitLab icon, right? You see a GitLab icon. After that,
This one.
yeah, after that you see a plus symbol there itself, top. Yeah. After that you have the another symbol, right? That is your user settings. Next one, just next. Yeah, that's where you need to click once and go to preferences. That's where you see the SSH key. I'm sure you would have already uploaded your SSH key, but I would like to just cross verify. Click on SSH.
Yeah, my SSH key is here.
Okay, that's a good thing. You have done it. All of you have done it.
Yeah.
That's created. Okay. Can you click on the GitLab icon once again? We will go over all the GitLab icon, the first one. Click on the groups once again. Groups. And click on DevOps. Now, what you do is you click on the settings on the left hand side. Settings, all the way down.
Settings. Okay.
Settings. And you have an option called CI/CD. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now click on the variables. There are different ways you can do things, but only few things that you have to be very much aware or very much clear. So you click on owner and save changes for now. Click on owner, because I mean you want the owner to be accessing the variables that you declare.
Okay.
Just scroll down and there is something called add variable.
Scroll down.
Yeah. Yeah. On the right hand side, you see add variables, right? Add variable. There is a small.
There is a tab, action, above action.
All the way right.
Where?
All the way right.
Okay,
Yeah.
add variables.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, what you need to do is you need to scroll down a little bit. Yeah, in the key section, type AWS. AWS. Yeah, so it pops you up 3 different options, right? Access key ID, secret key access. So start from the first one, access key ID. Yeah, just select the key and paste it in the description also, so that you understand what exactly this key is.
Do you want me to go to AWS to go and copy?
Yeah, that you need to do, but just do a shift tab, shift and tab.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so now do a control C or command C, depending on whichever operating system you have. Just
It's
go
not
up,
doing anything.
go above. No. Go above description. On the description, I want you to paste it.
Control V.
Control V.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, similar thing you need to do for the other 2 variables. Now you go to AWS console and copy the access key. So you can also go to Gitbash. I mean, Gitbash is much simpler, much faster. Go to Gitbash. You already have your access key and secret key configured using AWS configure command, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Do a cat
That.
tilt. You have to give a space character.
Yes. What did you say? Cat what?
Tilt symbol. That is just below the escape key. You have to put.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. That is okay. Tilt. Okay.
Tilda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tilde. Correct. Yeah. Slash dot AWS. Dot means, I mean, it's a hidden folder. AWS.
Okay.
AWS
Mhm.
slash CR credential. CR and tab should autocomplete. CR and tab should autocomplete.
Okay.
Yeah. Enter. Now double click on the value which is on the right hand side, access key ID. Double click, it will automatically select. Double click. No. On top of the value, Yeah,
Okay.
right. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Just do Alt tab now. Alt and tab.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay. It is already copied. You don't have to really worry about
It's
it.
already copied? Okay.
Yeah, it's already copied. You just do Alt tab. Okay. Now go to the value and Control V. Add variable. This is a way you create your global variables or group variables. You can close the right hand side top, whatever is there, that close option. You have to close the add variable. No, yeah, that one. And then again click on the add variable once again. Now scroll down. Yeah, in the key section, you can type AWS once again. Yeah, choose the last one. Yeah. And copy paste into the description. Control V. Control V should do.
Control V.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you have to remove the value from here. You have to go to your
Okay.
Gitbash again. Gitbash. Just double click again. Okay, that is already copied. Now do Alt tab.
Okay. I forgot all the time.
Okay, that's okay because you are not used to it, right? I mean,
Yes.
I'm teaching all the shortcuts. And you will be
And
definitely efficient and effective later after some probably weeks time.
Alt tab.
Now again, close that pop-up and then open it once again, add variable. Again, yeah, in the key section, choose the second one. Yeah, similarly copy paste it to the,
I didn't copy.
okay. Okay. Now the value must
I
be
think you.
US-East-1.
Okay. What?
That I'll explain you once again later in the class.
US hyphen east, like our
Right.
eastern zone, right?
Yeah.
Is that good?
So I have just given it in the chat, WhatsApp chat. I
Yeah,
have pasted
US is the one. Okay.
in the Zoom chat also. I'm just pasting it.
Yeah, done.
Okay. You can just add this variable, and this is going to be useful after probably 2 weeks of time, not immediately, but I would like you to finish all the processes so that you are kind of prepared for the long run. Got it? Okay, we have
This is
another 6-7 minutes to go. I'll just see what else I want to cover for today. Okay, I would like you to configure your Gitbash, I mean Git account on Gitbash. Go to your Gitbash. Yeah. Can you type this command that I'll paste it in the Zoom chat so that what is the configuration that you have? Git config,
when?
git space config
Okay.
dash dash list. Okay. Does it show your username and email ID?
Mhm. No.
User.email it shows, but user.name it is not there. Whoever has no user.email or user.name, you are supposed
Me,
to do this.
I,
I'll
I,
paste.
I don't have that email ID.
Okay, okay, sure. So I have pasted the command git config dash dash global space user.name, your complete name, and then similarly user.email, your complete email ID. You can type, use up arrow.
Okay.
So you want me to add my email ID here?
Yeah, your email ID, your name into the list. I mean, yeah, remove the list and put global.
Okay, are you talking to me?
Yeah, yes, Balkis.
Okay.
You will be the reference for everyone since you are sharing a screen. Global,
Global.
yeah, global. You can also refer to the Zoom chat. There I have given the information.
Okay.
Space user dot name. Just give a space character. User dot name. Space with the double quotes. You put your name, full name, whatever name that you want to call yourself. Double quotes. I mean, single quote, double quote, right?
Yeah. Do you mean something like this?
No. See, just refer to the
Let me see the
chat.
chat.
Yeah, refer to the chat.
You can copy that from the chat, put in
Okay,
OneNote,
the codes.
edit it in
Sorry.
OneNote, and then just paste here. It's easier.
Yeah.
Copy everything, put in OneNote, do the correction, and then copy from there. Just do the right click will paste everything.
No. The thing is, you copied the you copied it from here last. The selection is a copy. So you need to go to Notepad once again, copy whatever you
Yes.
wanted to copy, select, and then do a control C. Only the shortcut works only on the Gitbash.
Yes, Gitbash will not allow to paste like that. Oh my goodness.
What you do is just open your chat. Open your chat.
Notepad.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So I did the same thing. I edited in my notepad, copied it from there, and then just do right click here.
Yes. Yes.
It is sometimes, it is easy to even type it. If you're a player in the keyboard. Yeah, with the double quotes. Yeah, right. Type your name.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then enter, right?
enter. Yes. Use just up arrow. Yeah, remove the name and put email ID and user.name also user.email.
User.email. Okay.
Just make sure you change user.email before.
Yeah, I will change it.
Yeah.
What did you teach us? Control A.
Left arrow. Keep pressing left arrow so that you go there. Yeah, control
No,
E.
I just use Control A to go back.
Okay.
So global
Global user.email.
email.
Yeah, space. Yeah, enter. Now use up arrow, control W twice. Twice you do a control W.
Control W.
Okay. Git config. So git config -- global list. Git config -- global.
Git config.
Yeah, space -- global space list. List will list you all the items. Yeah, enter.
It's showing
Yeah, I think it is a -- list.
error.
Okay, dash list.
Yeah. Yeah, it shows you exactly what is your user.email, what is your user.name. That is more than enough for today. I think whatever I wanted to cover, I was able to cover it comfortably. One thing that is missing is I wanted you to create a repository from GitLab. If you could do it maybe another 5-10 minutes, is it okay? Is it okay for everyone?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Sure. Go to your GitLab. Yeah, go to DevOps on the top. You can go to the right. You can switch to the right and click on DevOps. Okay. Now click on create new project. It is a GitLab repository that you are trying to create. That there you can store your information like your code, your application, your automation code, anything. Create a blank project. Just click on create a blank project and give it a name. Test project hyphen DevOps. Make it small letter. You don't have to really create a capital letter one. Better to make it small. Test hyphen project hyphen DevOps. Make it public. Visibility level, make it public. Okay. Just scroll down.
Click.
Yeah. Scroll down. and initialize README file, that is okay. Just click on create project. It will create a project for you. Okay. Next thing would be you click on the code on the right hand side, the blue color. There is a plus symbol, there is a find file, yeah, code. There are two ways you can clone this repository. One is HTTPS, another one is SSH. You can use SSH option, that is more advanced and more user friendly. So you can click the copy button that is on the right hand side. Yeah. Now just come back to Gitbash. Okay, do a PWD. Okay, you are in export DevOps, right? So that's a folder you have to be. Otherwise, you have to do a cd tilt /export /DevOps and then do a git space clone. Git space clone. Space right click. It will okay. Just okay. It has not
Okay, I didn't paste it. Okay, let me do it again.
git clone. You need to go there and then copy it once again.
I think I did. Oh,
No.
why is this thing?
Yeah, click on code. Click on the button. Copy URL. Yeah, correct. Now just press right click. It should work for you.
Right click.
Yeah,
See, it's not pasting.
it's not pasting. Can you do one thing?
Uh-huh.
Can you right click on the top,
Oh, that's it that we did the other time.
go to options, go to
Okay.
mouse. Okay, right mouse button, paste that you have not selected. Just
I
one
did do it
above.
that it is.
One above. One
Okay.
above. Yeah, I think
Paste.
you missed it. Yeah. Apply and save. It should be
Okay.
apply and save.
Apply. Save.
Yeah. Now okay. You got it. Do a ls. Okay. Go to test project DevOps. If I say go to test project DevOps, CD test project DevOps. Yeah, that's a good catch. Tab. You don't have to type it. Tab should auto
Okay.
complete for you. Just no. What you do is just do a CD
Uh-huh.
space
Sorry.
T.
Tap this.
Just press T character and
See.
then tab.
Tab. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now enter. Do a ls-al. ls-al. Now do a cat .git /config. That's again important thing for you to understand how the configuration file looks like. So this will enter. All these files you will be modifying or you'll be working on these files over a period of time. That time you'll be comfortable, but just have a look at it. You probably copy paste into ChatGPT and try to understand what this file means, what exactly it contains. Okay. Any questions from anyone at this point?
The other time we copied our secret key and access key. Okay, to have now I get it. No problem.
Okay. We'll have more in-depth sessions in the coming days. But everyday session is very important. You have to go back, refresh. You have to review the other days video, things like that, so that you are feeling better. Sure. Okay. Thank you then. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you,
Bye
guys.
bye, Shankar.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye. Bye.